So just opening it on my phone quickly. I haven't done this in a little while, you know. Right. Chat is open on phone. Oh fuck. It's playing from my phone. I don't want that. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly set up. I kind of lost track of time. And then before I knew it, it was already 9. And I said I was gonna stream at 9. I set it for 9. So yeah, why are you installing Spotify? That's not good. Right, so 1 second. Okay, so I just realized that even after shutting the thing, I need to get the link for it, and I have to put it in here. So let's allow these to load, I guess. It's going to take a while at this rate. Don't really want that open. Thank you. Fuck off. What's this? Spotify. Oh yeah, I want Spotify to have internet. That's never had that before. I want to play this. Yeah, this. Cool. Right. Get link. Go to here. Go to streams. Go to sub. And that. Cool. Is this stream still working? Because on my phone it's frozen. Oh, it's fine after I closed it and opened it again. And then at live streams. How many people claimed that mention? I'm curious actually. Yeah, not many people. I'm surprised that so many people clicked on sneak peeks, to be honest. Hello AntPro 5 Gaming. How are you? Okay, so retweets. Let's do something. So I'm currently oh fuck, how do I zoom out in this? So control on that. I'm currently working on the kind of custom spawner system. It's too far away, I can't read that. So if I spawner give asking pig, you know, I've got the that gave me 1, right? Yeah. I've got the base for the spawners down. You can place them. You can't break them yet though, that's what I'm working on at the moment. But the spawns also don't change. Actually, something I do need to test. I don't know, is this changing the animal that's in it? No, I don't know if I've implemented that code or not. Hello, Les Style. How do you say it? Is it Lee? Lee Styles? I don't know. I give up trying. So if the type is a mob spawner, this is a block that we're breaking. So if solar.spawners.contains key L. Cool. I don't need to make that a separate if statement. Is there any efficiency difference between doing that compared to 2 if statements? I don't know. Anyway. What was I doing? Oh yeah. So if spawner equals solar.spawners.get L. Okay, so that's the custom spawner class. Then we're going to want to do, I'm just going to copy this from here instead of typing it out and getting it wrong. Oh no, I can literally just do get item. I forgot that I fucking added that. Spawner dot get item. No, I'm gonna add this in. If u equals spawner dot get placer, so only the person that placed it can break it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that, but I don't know. I kind of like the sound of random people not being able to break other people's spawners. So we'll add a message to that. Alright, let's use the player's name. Damn, we will do this bit as well. This will just be solar.spawner cmd.color.get spawner.type .get type plus core.capitalize spawner.get type .get name. Right? I hope that's right. Sounds right. Break the spawner. Cool. So now we just got to do e.set cancelled true e.getBlock.set type material.air. So we're cancelling it and getting rid of the block so that it doesn't drop the spawner. And then we're just doing that's something I said I was going to do. Donators are going to instantly be able to pick up spawners instead of it drop on the floor. So donators, it's just going to go straight to their inventory. So I need to remember that. So item stack spawner item equals spawner.get item. Actually, I really don't need to do that. I can just do if p.get inventory. No, what am I fucking doing? p.has permission solar.donor else. So here we can do if p.get inventory. God, this lag. First empty doesn't equal -1, so it's -1 if the inventory is full. So then p.get invent add item spawner.get item else p.get world. Man, this is so annoying. I don't know if you can tell that, like, you can hear me type, right, and then see it on the screen. It appears so much later. It's really annoying. Do I have my render distance pretty low, right? This isn't eating up my whole fucking thing, so what is it? .get world, .get, no, .drop item, p.get iLocation, and spawner.get item. And then that just needs to be the same as that. That's easy enough. And then we need to do solar.spawners.remove L. And that should be fine, I think. Theoretically, that's everything. Yep. I'm willing to try that. Hopefully that works. Cool. So let's just have a look, because I haven't really looked too much into all of the polls, so people wanted me to do this, that's why I'm doing it now. People don't want AFKing to be bannable, they want it to be allowed, okay. Ah, fuck, I still gotta do all that as well. Now this is something I'm probably not going to stick to though. I'm probably going to make them kind of hard to get anyway. Because I don't like the idea of them being really common. Oh yeah, and I changed the fluctuation thing to 10 minutes instead of... no, not to 10 minutes, to 20% I mean. Right, so... we place a cow spawner. It's not setting the mob to cow, I need to remember that. And I can't break it. Oh fuck, I didn't place it on my island. Okay, well that means we need to fix the block place actually. I didn't add the world guard protection thing in it. I need to do all of this actually. And I'm not going to bother to fucking type all that out again, thank you very much. So we can do that there. Cool. And UID U equals get player get unique ID. And what would L be? Location. And then just check that does. Wait, you don't get blocked to get location. You don't get blocked to get location. Okay, I don't need to do that. Okay, and then we need to do if is island or solar.worldguard.canBuild. You don't get player. You don't get block. Okay, so for now, I'll still test this part. So I placed it right, and I broke it and got it straight back. Perfect. Now I need someone to hop onto the server if anyone can. Why don't you use event instead of E? I don't know, it's just personal preference. It's laziness if anything. Let's just give myself a different tier as well. Just want to give asking skeleton 3 just to check that the tier works as well. Does. Okay, so obviously they're still spawning pigs at the moment, just bear with me. That won't be a thing obviously eventually. Let's have a look into that now actually, because that should be changed. Unless I get an error when I place. Oh, I do. Okay, block place. Oh shit, well I've already changed all this code, so I'm going to just export this and look for the error in this part of it. I don't know what the error of that is though. Seems messy in my opinion. Yeah, well, I have I do it for like P for player, E for event, L for location or lore, I for item stack, M for item meter. I don't know. I just have set things that I do for everything. I've done it pretty much since the start, so I'm used to it. So what was I doing? I don't know if I exported it already. I'll export it again just in case. Yeah, like I said, I do M for item meter, I do I for item stack. I did L for location, not lore this time. U for your UID as always. I don't know. I just always do it. Oh, this is the most fun part. Just waiting every time, eh? Oh, and just a heads up to everyone, Prevail will probably be down soon. Until I can get a bit of money through, hopefully some donations on Solar to pay for the hosting for Prevail again, because yeah, I'm broke. I paid for 3 months of hosting for this, but it's only a 2 GB server, and it doesn't have a dedicated IP either, so if you're good with it, why not, lol. Yeah. I mean, as I said, I already have set things that I assign, so I know what they're gonna be, so I'm yeah. But obviously to someone that has never seen it before, or not never seen it, but isn't used to someone doing that, it'll probably look really weird. Oh, that was perfect, it didn't place the spawner there. And that was one of the things, what was the other thing I need to test? Oh, it doesn't set the mob inside of it. Do we have an error for that? 71? No. Okay, so I can't cast block to creature spawner, I guess. Do I have to data? I don't know. I'm gonna go to Google for this. Bucket block to creature spawner. Oh, it's get state, isn't it? I'll look at this before I try that. Check before casting. I already know it's going to be, so dot get state. Yeah, I remember that now from doing the golem one that I did ages ago. Alright, cool. Damn, Akuma ain't got many people on right now, hey? Only 21. It's not the most popular right now. Huh. Isn't the new season meant to be soon, though? I don't know. Fuck's sake, let me on already, man. Seriously. Come on. Oh, yeah, it started. Now I just gotta wait for the rest of the plugins to load. Hey, it loaded. Haha, cool. I like that. I don't know why. There's just something about it. Like, no one else ever does that, do they? Oh, now it says starting again. What the fuck? Now it says that again. I guess if you refresh your server list quickly enough, it says it's starting. Wait, did I leave that in the code in the thing? I bet I did. Yeah, I did. Right, that's that issue fixed. Alright, so what was I testing? It's not changing the mob. That's what I was testing. No error that time, eh? Huh. Shit. No error. Do I have to like update it or something? Yeah. And then that'll work, right? I'm gonna have to remember that for the creature spawn event or whatever it is. Spawner spawn. Not in there, you fucking pillock. Cool. Let's have a pop onto Akuma while we wait for that to start, eh? What's that gonna be? I don't know why they do that. It's never on, is it? I don't know. Who's on? 1 staff, 2 staff if you count a builder. Well, 3 if you count developer and builder. But I don't, I wouldn't. That's the annoying thing anytime I come on Akuma, because I'm dev, right? People are always asking for assistance and shit, but obviously developer on here isn't really like you're the developer of the server. You just, I don't know, I did 1 plugin and I got the rank, so oh shit, I need to create an island. I need to really get the saving down for that, but oh wait, shit, did it change? Oh shit, yeah, cool. Alright. So that's the basics of spawners. I just need to test actually. Oh shit, I dropped it at the wrong location. I want to drop it on the player if their inventory is full, which I do. Then here I want to do b.get location, because I don't want it dropping on the player. But other than that, I think we're good. So let's just place it. Okay, so my inventory is full, so it should just drop it. Cool. So that's the basics of spawners tested. I mean, now I just gotta do the spawn event, and I need to do the whole upgrade system as well. But that's not important right now. So I need to know, right? So if you look here, you can do cspawner.set, and then you can do like delay and stuff. What are the defaults? I wonder if I can find it. It's got to say it, surely. Get delay. I need to set delay, maybe? It should say. Let's just search for it. It doesn't say. Get min spawn delay. Oh no, it does say. Alright, cool. 16, I thought it was 24. Wait, what? Yo, that could give me like That'd be laggy, surely, though, because that's going to have chunks loaded that wouldn't normally be loaded. But it's nice to know I can do that. That could be cool. I'm going to bookmark this so I don't lose it, because that's going to be something I'm going to need throughout this process. Yeah, let's do... I shouldn't do this in the spawn event. I should do this in the block place event. It will be so much more efficient. Fuck it, no. I'm glad I thought of that, because that wouldn't have got nice. So, I could do... if... I have tier as a... in, right, yeah. If tier equals 1. C spawner dot set. So what exactly does set delay do? Okay, so minimum spawn delay. I'm gonna just keep searching for default again. So get min spawn delay. Default is 200. So set min spawn delay. So for the lowest level, I'm gonna make it slightly worse than vanilla would be. So max delay was 800 if I remember correctly. Uh, 800 ticks. So I'm gonna do 1,000. So it can be quite a lot longer. Cool. This would have been so much quicker to just copy and paste. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is all I have planned right now. So we just gotta copy this a few times. And tier 2 will be vanilla. Nah, it'll be still a little bit worse than vanilla. No, it won't, it'll be vanilla. Nah, cause... Nah. What's 1,000 divided by 60? So the maximum delay is 16 seconds. That's not bad, actually. So what's 800 divided by 60? About 14 seconds. And then 200 is literally 10 seconds. So it's between 10 seconds. No, that can't be right. That's 10 seconds. That can't be 10 seconds. No, I need to divide it by 20, not 10. Oh, you fucking retard. Whatever. Yeah, so I'm going to keep that slightly worse than vanilla. Oh, fuck. 800, 700, and 600. 250, 200, 150, 150. Nah, that's too small. That could be every 2 seconds. That's mental. Nah, I'm not doing that. I'm just going to stick them all at 200. Nah, I'll take away 10 or something. 225. Shit, 225. No, 225. I give up sometimes. 175. 150. 125. So that's like 5 seconds at least. That's not too bad, I'd say. In fact, I'm going to change it. 150, 200. Wait, no, 175, 200, 225, 250. And then I'm going to add more things. So C spawner dot set max spawn. No, set spawn count. Yeah, that's the one. Default for this is 4. Yeah, 4. So I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna again make the default worse than vanilla. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I do 7 or 8? I'm gonna stick it to 7. 7. What else can I do? Max nearby. How do I code a plugin that puts a message someone close /pl? Huh? You would use an event, command pre-process event or something. It's like player command pre-process or something. I'm gonna quickly read that. I don't know who they are. Fuck off, man. So many people. Like, you buy an advert, right, and a Discord ad from one person, and then you get hundreds of people asking you if you want ads, I swear. So C spawner, not C, dot set. So what was it again? Set spawn range. Oh shit, I can do range as well. I don't know if I should touch range because that would make it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Because if you're spawning more mobs, then the chance of them spawning is greater if it's over a bigger area, right? That's the one I'm looking for. So the default for this was 16, right? Max nearby is 16, so I'm gonna make the default 14. So tier 2 will be, for the most part, tier 2 is almost the same as a vanilla spawner is. It's just slightly worse. So 24 and then 32. Cool. So that's over twice as good as no, this is twice as good as tier 2. That might get a bit insane. Um, 24 and 28 instead. No, I'll do 30 and 25. And fuck, what was I doing? What was I needed? What did I need to do? Oh yeah, more fucking things. So I can do set spawn, set required player range. So what's the default for this? It was 14, wasn't it? No, they said it was 16, and I said it should be 24. Yeah, 16. Wait, so what does this say? Get the radius around which can spawn mobs in. The area is a square, includes the block the spawn is in, and is centered on the spawn is equal to not the spawn itself. What? Okay. So 4 includes the spawn that it's in, so it's 3 in each direction by default. I'm going to keep that the same. 4. What? Fuck, where am I going? So I'm not going to change this much. Wait, no, I'm setting the wrong thing. That's the wrong thing. I need to do spawn range like that, not what I did there. And because I deleted that from there, I need it. So 4. I'm going to keep it on 4 there. I'm going to do 5, 5, and 6. I don't know if that's a wise idea. Probably isn't. So default for this is 16. So I'm going to go up by 4, so 20, 24, 28, and 32. So that's twice as good as vanilla. Yeah, I think that's good. Now I hope this works. Alright. Mention it anyway. It's one of these dickheads again. I swear, man, people like him are so fucking pathetic. I'm just gonna ignore him, he's a fucking bastard, isn't he? His mate got banned from the server for that. Are you gonna join or what? Thank you. Fucking hell, it takes forever, doesn't it? So, I'm just gonna delete this island and go to the next one. Because this one's a bit crowded. Cool. So, we're gonna see if we can tell the difference between 2 spawners, right? So, CYL, grass. Wait, so let me think, right? CYL, grass, 5, 8. Cool. And then we just place it in the middle of it. We'll place the tier 1 first. So that spawned 2, but so did that. And that's meant to be tier 5. Wait, let's test. Yeah, that's got to be more than fucking... Wait, so we can see here the spawner is spinning. But this one isn't. I have to be here for this one to spin. And I can go all the way up here. So, that part seems to work, but it's not spawning more mobs. Which is obviously what I want it to do. Does that not work then? Oh wow, I got onto an entirely different band. Nah, I'm sticking to these guys. Yeah. That's where my name comes from, by the way. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, well, there's twice as many on there, so that's definitely, I'd want to say, spawning more. I think we can all agree that that is better, right? I mean, there's still only 6 on there, while there's now, what? More than 15, probably. That's not spawning anymore, but that is. So I'm going to say that's definitely better. Cool. So now what do I do? I mean, that's pretty much that done. Like, I don't feel like working on the core right now. On the islands, I don't feel like working on that. Huh. I don't know what to do because I don't feel like working on the island core, but I can't really think of a ton more that there is to do. I mean, there's obviously loads, but nothing I really want to do right this minute. I think let's call that an end at this point. And we will stream again tomorrow. Hasn't even been long, has it? It's been not even an hour. Yeah. Oh well. I'm gonna call that the end there, and we'll stream again tomorrow sometime.